Waikiki is where the iconic sport of surfing started, with Duke Kahanamoku hitting the waves and inspiring millions to take up the sport. Duke has left such a great legacy that visitors to Waikiki can visit his statue and soak up the positive vibes and beautiful scenery surrounding the figure. However, surfing is merely the beginning of extraordinary adventures that can be enjoyed in this gorgeous oasis. From hula shows to shopping, this place has something exciting for everyone. Be sure to watch until the end so that you won't miss out on any of the fantastic activities that Waikiki offers. It is time to be inspired by crystal clear water, spectacular greenery, and exciting culture as we pay Waikiki a visit. One of Waikiki's most popular tourist attractions is the Moana Surfrider Hotel, Waikiki's oldest hotel. It is so iconic that it has been added to the National Register of Historic Places. This unusual hotel features incredible design elements with touches of Bauhaus, European, and Art Deco designs. The hotel provides free guided tours on Mondays and Wednesdays. Stay for a delectable lunch or treat yourself to a relaxing massage at the hotel's world-class spa. If you are eager to put your toes in the sand and make a splash, head over to Kahanamoku Beach. The quiet beach is ideal for sunbathing and enjoying a picnic. Paddleboarders will love the Kahanamoku Lagoon that runs to the beach, allowing for superb, calm water with all the scenery of the coast and its incredible surroundings. Kahanamoku Beach is a popular spot for fireworks watching as it offers panoramic views of the night sky. If you are a fan of the popular TV show Hawaii Five-0, you might experience a sense of deja vu as you take in the beauty of the beach. Several scenes of the hit TV show were filmed here. The Hilton Hawaiian Village Beach Resort is located on Kahanamoku Beach. It is an excellent destination for grabbing a tasty meal or enjoying the resort's lush greenery before heading back to the ocean. Surfing enthusiasts should not miss the opportunity to take on the waves in Waikiki, and fortunately, several activity kiosks can get you geared up. Beginners can join surfing lessons at Waikiki Beach. Another great water activity that Waikiki is known for is outstanding snorkeling. Queens Beach offers an accessible entrance into the ocean where snorkelers can enjoy beautiful sights as they make their way to Kapiolani Park Beach. If you want to take a break from surfing, visit Honolulu Zoo, which is a quick walk from Waikiki Beach. Here, visitors can enjoy exploring and learning more about various animals. There is also a great selection of species native to Hawaii, with poeo, the Hawaiian short-eared owl, being the most popular. In addition to seeing amazing animals, Honolulu Zoo treats visitors with outstanding trails and views in Kapiolani Park. From here, the world-renowned tourist attraction, Diamond Head, can be seen. If you visit Kapiolani Park on a Sunday, hang around because you will be able to enjoy a free afternoon concert performed by the Royal Hawaiian Band. Another part that should not be missed is the Ainahaʻu Triangle. Here, visitors can stroll around scenic trails of lush greenery and discover some native Hawaiian tropical plants, like plumeria flowers and the banyan tree. In addition, chickens roam freely in Ainahaʻu Triangle, adding to its uniqueness and tranquility. Historians who enjoy military history will not be disappointed when they visit Fort DeRussy Art Museum. The museum showcases a great selection of exhibits ranging from ancient to modern times that detail technology, the influence of man, and the social elements that have sculpted Hawaii's defense. Visitors are usually delighted by veterans who are eager to share their personal stories. The museum is located on the waterfront, making it an interesting and gorgeous place to visit. If you have ever longed to visit a royal palace, Waikiki will make that dream come true. The Lalani Palace is the only royal palace in the United States and is rich in history and culture. Built by King Kalakaua in 1882, this gorgeous palace was home to the Kamehameha dynasty. Walk in the footsteps of royalty as you explore the stunning grounds of this legendary palace, or join a guided tour for insider secrets shared by local tour guides. With spectacular views and gorgeous cowwood details, the palace is a stunning sight to behold while sharing so much about Hawaii's monarchy. Another top destination for visitors with an appreciation for beauty is the Honolulu Museum of Art. Located close to downtown Honolulu, the museum can easily be reached and showcases incredible works of art from around the world, including collections from Van Gogh and Monet. There is also a great selection of Greek, Roman, and ancient Egyptian artifacts. A trip to Waikiki just wouldn't be complete without a hula show, so add Kahio Beach to your itinerary. Here, visitors can enjoy free hula sunset shows while taking in the views of the ocean waves and an impressive banyan tree. The exhilarating performances begin with torches being lit and conch blowing for an incredible taste of Hawaiian culture. The hula venue offers grass seating, so visitors can relax while enjoying the unexpected Hawaiian visual delights. Waikiki is rich in culture and history, and the perfect spot to experience all of it is at the Polynesian Cultural Center. Here, visitors are amazed by this living history museum's traditional dances and customs. Not only can visitors enjoy interactive activities and watch traditional dances, but they can even join in an authentic luau. If a hula show has put you in the mood for live music and dancing, Tiki's Grill and Bar is a must-visit destination. Here, visitors can enjoy scenic views of the rooftop patio while jamming to local live music. There is also an award-winning chef who will keep your belly happy with Hawaiian delicacies as you enjoy the sunset and perfect ocean views. Visitors who need some good old retail therapy should visit Kalakaua Avenue, Waikiki's shopping hub. Here, shoppers will find a wide selection of things from luxury retailers like Gucci and Prada to little shops that sell local delicacies and souvenirs. Kalakaua Avenue is also home to several unique outdoor shopping centers that offer a fresh breeze while you shop. The Royal Hawaiian Center and the International Marketplace are the most popular outdoor shopping centers in Waikiki. At the International Marketplace, people can try various international dishes ranging from Tex-Mex to Asian cuisine. Food festivals are held throughout the year, along with lane-making classes and live music concerts. Be sure to check it out when you are in Waikiki. Hikers have several excellent options to explore, with the most popular being Diamond Head Trail. Located in Honolulu, the state monument is only a short drive from Waikiki Beach, making it an excellent option for mountain biking. Hiking around Diamond Head is rewarding as hikers get panoramic views of Honolulu once they reach the top. But wait, there's so many more geological pleasures to discover in Waikiki. In fact, visitors can visit an extinct volcano by going to Diamond Head Crater. Although a gorgeous profile of the volcano can be seen from nearby beaches, exploring the crater is an experience like no other. By following the historic hiking trail that starts at Diamond Head State Monument, visitors can make their way up to the crater for sensational views. If you prefer driving up, the eastern side of the crater has a suitable road for cars. We all know that Waikiki has it all when it comes to beach activities, but perhaps the most thrilling adventure here is exploring the ocean by submarine. Yes, in Waikiki, you can experience the wonder of the sea by submarine, be blown away by the magnificent creatures and awe-inspiring beauty that is hidden beneath the ocean by visiting Atlantis submarines. If you simply can't get enough of the wonders of the Waikikian waters, another splendid way to explore the ocean is by glass-bottom boat. Marvel in the beauty of ocean life and reefs as you take an hour catamaran cruise. When cruisers look down, they are treated with glimpses of colorful fish, dolphins, and even migrating whales. However, looking up has its benefits too, as these cruises offer sensational views of Diamond Head Crater. There are also special catamaran tours for visitors who hope to see sea turtles. These tours provide an hour catamaran ride for Turtle Canyon, a reef home to a large population of gorgeous green sea turtles. If you are daydreaming of a place with white sandy beaches and turquoise waters that offers endless delightful activities, Waikiki is your dream destination. Whether you spend an afternoon on a submarine or hike up an inactive volcano, every minute in Waikiki will be unforgettable.